A very good morning, students. I welcome you on behalf of Center for Soft Skill Training. I am coordinating the particular center, and on behalf of Center for Soft Skill Training and Department of Management, I welcome you all for this motivation session. And so I am Professor T. Somasundram. Okay, so once again, I welcome you all for this motivation session. Okay. So first we'll go to the session. I need to give some instruction. Dear students, this is not a regular class. Don't think that this is a training and development class. Okay, this is like an interactive session. So please kindly interact whenever I'm asking question or whenever you want to share anything, kindly interact with me. And if it is possible, those who are possible to switch on your camera, kindly switch on your camera. Okay, it is not that you have to switch on your camera, switch off your camera. If it is possible, you don't have any network issue. Okay, you can switch on your camera so that the session will goes in a lively manner. Okay. So first going to the session, I want to ask, okay, after hearing this title, right? You got the invitation and ma'am would have shared as well as class teacher would have shared in the WhatsApp group. Okay, after getting this title, after coming to know that there is going to be a session on master, okay, for HR students, what do you think about this? Guys, what do you think about this? Say, I'm not going to take training and development class. This is out of the syllabus. You have to tell. When ma'am was asking, sir, can you give one session for training and development? I was thinking that what is the topic I need to take, and I was asking the ma'am which unit you are taking and which part you need to take. He told that I'm taking the third and fourth unit is going on, and then I told her, ma'am, that I'm not going to cover any things in the syllabus. Okay, because there are some people, not some people, there are many people that just they are studying this training and development as a one subject in HR specialization, but you don't know what is the outcome of the particular subject. So I want to give different aspects of training and development, not based on the syllabus. So that's why I planned and I thought that why we want to share the details about how HR students, how HR persons can become a trainer. Okay, don't think that there are a lot of students, you may think that, sir, after taking HR, I can go and sit an HR manager. Yes, you can sit, but after it will take 5 to 15 years, minimum 5 years, maximum 10 years or 15 years, depend upon the organization structure. So you cannot sit as HR manager. Your first job will not be HR manager. Okay, so you have to start a career as an executive or the supervisor or the assistant. Okay, like that you have to start your career and you have to reach the HR manager position. Okay, so for that you need a lot of experience. You should learn from your career, okay, from your work, and then you can start. Okay, so that is what I planned as a title as a training as a career. Why, as a HR student, HR students, why you cannot choose a training as a career? You know what is the demand for the trainers nowadays? That is one of the sector which has a huge demand. Okay, if whether you believe or not, you go to any corporate. Okay, if you compare the salary of the employee and the trainers, okay, you can earn in terms of lakhs per month. I'm saying per month, per day. There are different trainers are there, excellent trainers are there, and also there are a very good corporate trainers are there where they are earning 50,000 to 20,000 for 1 hour for 2 hours. So think you are giving some 3 to 4 hour sessions per day for different corporate employees for different corporates. So 1 month salary you will get 60, 70,000. 1 day salary. I'm not talking about 1 month. 1 day salary. And also it is not like putting your time and energy for 24 hours, just 1 to 2 hours. But for that you need to work a lot. Okay. Similarly, the training is also not a area that you can develop yourself at the first level itself. You need to learn a lot of things from the trainer. That is what I choose this topic as a trainer, as a career, as a master. Okay, so with this I will start this session. Okay, I think everyone has watched this movie, right? Okay. What is the story of the movie? You can please kindly interact. Don't sit ideal. You can switch on your cameras. I think no one has switched on the camera except Rion. Okay, if possible, you can switch on the camera. It is not like a regular class. I told anything. You can share anything related to this topic. Yes, what those who watch this movie, what is the things that happening in this movie? Anyone can tell? Don't think about Vijay, all those things and all, but what is the concept of the movie? What is happening in the movie? Why the movie name is called as a master? Yes, guys. No one is replying. Please, you can put it in the chat box. If you don't want to unmute also, please kindly put it in the chat box. Kindly interact. This is not the regular class. Movie, can raise your hand. Can you put the chat box that you have watched or not? Dushyant is saying you believe that Vijay plays a role of college professor. Yes, Mamta, you can unmute. Mamta, you can unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Mamta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You can hear me, sir?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, tell me what is your answer?
Sir, I'm not able to hear you, sir.
What is your answer for this question? Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir. Your voice. Please
I
tell me
think
the
you
question
have
again,
some
sir.
network. No. Did you
Uh,
watch this movie, Master movie?
yes, sir.
Okay, what is the thing that you learned from this movie? What is happening in that movie? What is the concept?
In that movie, many concepts were there. Firstly, how you should be towards the society. Then the drinking part, sir. He will stop drinking.
Okay.
Then he will start learning. Then how he will change those people.
Yes, right. You come to the point. Okay, good,
As
good.
what did I learn from that movie?
Okay,
Means
that's fine.
more of Vijay only they was focusing, sir. I didn't like that movie.
Okay, no problem. Okay, good, Mamta. Okay, so as Mamta told that she has learned many things from the movie, but okay, fine. But there is only one concept. If you want to compare this master movie with the training concept, there is only one thing that you have done. She told that changing the role. Okay, so and some people have mentioned that Kushi has told that I felt it's rescue the students from crime happening. That means, okay, once if you watch, hear about this movie, many thought that it is about the life of the college professor. But if you see the movie, only the first 10 minutes will show the life of the college professor. That too, actually, that will not happen in reality. Okay, if you see the college professor drinking and hairstyle, that is not applicable. Okay, just for a commercial purpose, just for entertainment, they added this. But after shifting his career from a college professor to the employees in the corporate, right? Yeah. So if you know that, okay, that's why you are learned the concept called a TNA. What does mean by TNA? That is, you are learned in the second unit. Guys, if you know, you can put in the chat box.
Training need assessment.
Yes, training need assessment or training need analysis. Before giving a training to the corporate employees, as a trainer, the first important step that you have to do is go for a TNA, training need analysis. First, you should approach the corporate, which area you are requesting me to give a training, which area you need training, which skill you need to give training for your employee. Training need analysis is the first important step for providing a training. Just like that, you cannot give a training. Understand? Just like that, you cannot give a training. For example, now I choose a topic called master. Okay, I did not choose a topic just like that. I had thought, I had taken 1 or 2 days to think how I can frame a title so that it will be relevant to that particular session. So master, the common thing is master, and it is also like a catchy. You people will know master means you are immediately you will thought about the movie. That's why under the master I made as a training as a career. So you need to do training need analysis, TNA. That is very important for a trainer. So if you analyze that before giving a training, definitely you are one of the good trainer in the world. You can become a best trainer, right? So good. So if you have a plan to become a trainer, you can decide. Okay, first analyze your quality, knowledge, skill. Based on that, you can decide yourself to become a trainer. So based on that, you can choose any sector, okay, any domain under the trainers, and you can make it as a favorite. Okay, so this is one of the important things. So choice is yours. Your life, you have your choice. Okay, don't think that again I'm telling that don't think that after HR you can become only a manager. If you're strong in that, go ahead, no problem. But I'm not saying that all the people to become a trainer. You have the opportunity to become a trainer. There is a one more domain in the HR field that as a trainer, which is having a huge demand in the market at present. I'll show the survey also. Okay, how it's going to be increased in next 5 to 10 years till to 2027. So in your life, everything is choice. Okay, whether you have a choice to choose BBA or a BCom or BSc, BCA, and chance is given to you, and you choose BBA, and now you are going through that, and you are determining your future, how I can become after completing BBA, what I can become. So your choice is full of in your life. Okay, but the choice that you make that should determine your career. That is a very important quote I want to mention here. See, training, don't think that training is like teaching. It has a different approach. You can coach, you can train the people in working the aptitude skills, aptitude problems within a short span of time. Teaching, in any way you are going to impose certain knowledge, skills, experience. As I told you, as a trainer, you should be able to narrate the story. That story should come from your life experience, not simply reading the book and just giving the story. Okay, because there are a lot of people they are having a habit of reading the books, so they may know already. So experience learning, experience storytelling should be there, and that your career should be able to influence the development of the participants. So training plays a very important role in all these things. So just choice is yours whether you want to become HR trainer and giving a lot of skill development activities like how to build a team. Okay, how to work with the team, teamwork, quality, leadership skill, personality development, attitude, power of positive attitude, how you can go for mind shift, okay, behavior analysis, perception. And if you are good in marketing, how you can brand the product as well as how you can brand yourself. That is also one important quality. That's why if you see in my second slide, I had given my photos with the title. Why? Because of self-branding. As a trainer, I should do that. I should know how to brand myself. Then only the people will remember you, the people will have attraction towards your training. Otherwise, it will not work out. So branding is very important. Similarly, you can become a soft skill training as well as the personality development, the behavior. So under the training and development, you have a different domains. You can become as any one of the trainer. Choice is yours. But before selecting the particular area, think that you have a respect to quality, the knowledge and skill. Okay, if you have a 10 to 20%, no problem. Don't worry about it. You can learn. You can get more and more experience. And then you can become a trainer, very good trainer in the future. Okay, and before becoming a trainer, you should know the basic things. There is a difference between hard skill and soft skill. What do you mean by hard skill? Can anyone? Anyone can put the chat box. What do you mean by the hard skills and the soft skills? Yeah, guys, please interact because no one is interacting properly. Only few are soft. Yes, this is very important. If you want to become a trainer, If you are choosing a training as a career, you should know which kind of skills that you are going to provide training. There is a different hard and soft skill. Guys, you can put in the chat box. Kindly reply, please. No one is replying, as it is like a ordinary class. Hard skill related to the technical knowledge. Very good, Snega. Soft skill related to the personal qualities. Yes, very good, Romana. Okay, very good. They are given a direct answer. Knowledge and qualifications are learnable personal skill. Yes, of course. See, hard skill is okay, like giving a technical training. For example, sir, I am a person with computer skill background.